Hi everyone, do you have wrist pain with push-ups? Then you may want to check this video out as I have some exercises for you. So the first exercise is an isometric wrist strengthening exercise and is one of the easier ones to do. If you see in this exercise, I'm trying to stretch my right wrist and then I'm trying to force or push my right hand onto my left wrist, creating some tension. And then as I relax, I push my right wrist back into further extension. Same thing on the other hand, I stretch the wrist, then I'm pushing down with my left wrist into my right hand, and as I let go for after 5 seconds, I'm pushing back into the stretch a bit. Now with this, you can also mobilize or bend your elbow and straighten it out just to stretch those muscles to build up tolerance. Another way to build up resilience in that position is to do a modified wall push-up. And in this, if you cannot do that either, start with your hands further up higher than the level of your shoulders and just walk your hands down up till tolerance, spending maybe just a few seconds in that position and then walking back up, slowly trying to build up resilience and tolerance in the push-up position on the wall. Progressing off that last exercise, we can now start to get into a bit of an inclined position. To begin, we can start this position with our elbow slightly bent and gently just rocking back and forth, putting some pressure on the wrist for a few seconds and then changing that position. So as you can see here, I'm not just going front and back, but I'm also trying to rock side to side. Again, just trying to load some tension onto the wrist for a little bit. The next progression would be to lock those elbows out if you started to tolerate the last one, and repeating the same thing. So just kind of rocking front and back, side to side, getting some time under tension on those wrists. You could also do a gentle isometric. As you kind of lean onto your hands, you push your hands down onto the bed, hold for a few seconds, and as you relax, you just lean forward again into that stretch and back. And finally, for the last one, you place your hand really close to the wrist crease, and as you put some pressure on the wrist, gently turn the skin of that hand towards the side of the thumb. As you can see here, I'm using my left hand to turn the skin of my right hand towards the thumb, and now on the opposite side, the same thing. As I lean onto my left hand, I'm using my right hand to turn towards the thumb. This motion should decrease any tension you have, but if it does not, just change your hand position and try again.